Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at this Ferrari Competition 275. It's from 1965. There was 11 made, 10 of them were aluminium, 3 of them were right-hand drive, and this is chassis number 07407. The Ferrari was delivered new in 1965 to Harry Napier, who was an Irish gentleman and spent the next few years racing it extensively at club level events, mainly in Ireland at Kirkestown with the 500 Motor Racing Club. He seemed to be a bit of a local legend, racing against such cars as Minis and Fords. Subsequent owners have raced it globally at events as the Nürburgring, Oldtimer GP, Le Mans Classic and the Macau Historica, along with UK events such as Goodwood and Silverstone. Over time, the interior became more race focused, with the trim removed for weight saving and a roll cage added. The current owner had the car restored to how it raced in the mid to late 60s. The car arrived with a handful of original interior panels. The rest were either missing or incorrect. We have done many of these cars. I was able to fabricate new panels ready to be trimmed and fitted. We trimmed the car using the factory original specification of Connolly Vermol 3015 with light blue carpets from O'Rourke Supplies, along with the correct vinyls used for the headlining and other panels. This breathtaking car went on to win the 60s class at the 2020 Hampton Court Concours, where it constantly had a large audience admiring the car. Hope you've enjoyed this video of a very, very rare Ferrari, one of 11 in the world. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.